Hi and what's up? Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple breakfast recipe that is going to be very delicious. If you're new here, I'm Scovia. Hi. And without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to be making garlic and butter breakfast potatoes that have cilantro or coriander. And then I'm going to be pairing my potatoes with barbecued Smokies, or you can switch the Smokies with the sausage. Yeah, so I'm going to move over to the stove top where I've placed a medium pan. Add in some oil. So this is how I've chopped up my potatoes. As you can see, this is a small size. This is a small size potatoes because I want the potatoes to cook very fast. My garlic and butter breakfast potatoes are going to take about 5 to 8 minutes. So my oil is hot. I'm going to add in my potatoes. I am using medium heat because I want the potatoes to slowly cook. If you're using medium high, the potatoes will cook on the outside and the inside they won't cook that fast. Yeah, so use medium heat so that the potatoes can cook evenly. Also place your potatoes in a single layer so that the potatoes each potato can cook. You don't want some potatoes to be cooked and some are not cooked. Yeah, you want them to be evenly cooked. So you can double up the amount of ingredients in the description box down below. Make for your entire family, if it's for breakfast or for brunch on Saturday or Sunday. This is just the recipe for you. So if you're a potato lover just like me, make sure you try out this recipe, and if you enjoy watching my videos, don't forget to give my videos a like. Just enjoy some good recipes that are easy and very interesting with minimal ingredients, and the outcome is very delicious. So after about 4 to 5 minutes, this is how my potatoes are looking, and as you can see, they have that nice golden brown color on top. So I'm going to add in some salt for seasoning. Stir in the salt. And I guess you can hear the crunch. The potatoes are very crunchy. So I'll make a well at the center of my pan, and then I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter. Add in garlic and let the garlic cook together with the butter. This is going to add a lot of flavor. So after the garlic has cooked through and is very fragrant, this is how my potatoes are looking. My potatoes are ready. I'm going to garnish with some coriander. Delicious. This looks absolutely delicious, and my garlic butter potatoes are ready. I'm going to transfer my potatoes to a plate. In the same pan, I'm going to add a little bit more oil, just a little bit, like a tablespoon of oil, and then I'm going to add in Smokies. Let the Smokies cook on low flame because you want the Smokies to cook on the inside. So I'll cook the Smokies for about 1 to 2 minutes, flipping so that each side can evenly cook. My Smokies are ready, as you can see, and they have that nice color. So I'm going to transfer to a plate, let them cool, and then I'm going to chop up the Smokies in medium size. So I've already chopped up my Smokies to bite-sized pieces. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in some onion. Stir in the onion. I'm using the same oil that I used to shallow fry my Smokies, and you can use any sausages that you have in the house. It's not a must the sausage to be smoky. Then I'm going to cook the onions until soft. Once soft, I'm going to add in some ketchup. stir in together with the onions. And then I'm going to add in a splash of water. One teaspoon of soy sauce. A pinch of sugar to balance out the acidity. Stir in. If you like spicy, you can add in chili sauce, sriracha, or any other type of chili you have in the house. Because my children are going to be enjoying this, I'm not going to be adding anything spicy. Add in my sliced Smokies, stir in with the sauce. Well, just look at that. This looks absolutely delicious. Make sure all the pieces of Smokies are coated with the delicious barbecue sauce. I decided to add onions because I like the onion flavor. If you have onion powder, you can add that in the recipe as well if you don't want to bite into pieces of onions. So I chose to go the natural way to add onions in my Smokies. My breakfast is ready and I'm going to serve and show you how delicious this is. My breakfast is ready and it's going to be super delicious. So I hope you try out these amazing garlic and butter breakfast potatoes together with barbecued Smokies or sausages.